This product that I found on Aliexpress and it cost $2 US. It's pretty awesome. Why and what is it? You will get two T10 waterproof 5 watts 501 car wedge side light bulb with 6 SMD 5050 RGB 7 color LED with remote control, no battery, strobe flashlight with for your car, for your motorcycle, for whatever you want, for truck. You will get two light bulbs with LED chips and a remote control. I found it interesting and that's why I ordered it, and of course I got it. I can see no bubbles. Why? Ooh. How to? Oh, okay. What it says here? Colorful auto lamp of infrared ray remote control. 24 keys remote control for choosing whatever color you want. Alright. Oh, and yes, the beautiful remote control. You need to pull out this thing. This is for saving the battery. Okay. And here are they. The model is T10. And yes, they have 6 RGB LED chips and tiny infrared receiver. Oh, let's see them in 360. Let's see what is this? Waterproof and fireproof? I don't think so. Multicolor choose. Alright, to remove the cover for the battery, you will get two T10 LED car lights, wireless remote control. Where is specification? Yes, it works on 12 volts, power 1.3 watts each. That I have looking for. And that's it. It says waterproof 5 watts, but here says 1.3 watts. We're gonna check that with my power supply. Gross weight 40 grams. Okay, let's try it. Not working. Why? Because it's the opposite polarity, and don't worry, they will stay okay. Okay, let's try now. Yes! Take a look. Remote control car lights. Alright. Red, green, blue, orange, flash. And you can control also the speed. Nice. White. Also have a white. Strobe. This is fade and smooth. It's police lights. Okay. Off. And we're gonna check. I'm gonna set it to green. Turn off the power supply. And will it remember the light? That is very important. Yes, that's okay. Okay, let's hook up the another one and see will they change in the same time. Okay, now I have power on both of them. Let's see. Oh, both of them. Red, orange, white. Let's strobe. Faster. Beautiful. Beautiful. White. And you can control the brightness. Oh. Pink. Strobe. Turn off. Turning on. Nice. Love it. And they're cheap. for the whole set, $2. The link will be in the description below so you can check it. Let me turn off the studio lights now. Oh. Turning on. Nice. Orange. Fade. Oh. Okay, they are synchronized now. Beautiful. And let me show you, when they are on white, that means the all LED chips inside, the red, the green and the blue are turned on, and all of them together is pulling 0.8 watts. That is almost 1 watt. It's not 1.3 watts, and that is, and they are pulling 67 milliamperes each. This one is my portable power station, and nice. Okay. Ooh. Beautiful. I hope you like today's video review of these tiny products that I got from Aliexpress, and they're nice. You can play with them, choosing whatever color you want. Beautiful. That was all for today's video. Please give a like, share and subscribe to my channel. See ya! Nice. Let me share my Ko-fi page where you can support this channel or support my work with only one coffee, only one time, or you can be a subscription and support every month my work. Playing Doom 2 on this beautiful game console, and the price is around between 20 and $30 with so many games inside.